Welcome to the Build Mystery, where the world's most advanced machines and cutting-edge construction come to life. From robotic timber assembly reshaping how wood structures are built, to high-performance insulation systems keeping homes warm and efficient, and autonomous wall-finishing robots redefining precision on construction sites, every build tells a story. Every innovation shapes the future, and every process reveals the secrets behind how we design, fabricate, and assemble the things that define tomorrow. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell to uncover more. This is Spatial Timber Assemblies, a new frontier in robotic construction. Developed by ETH Zurich's Gramazio Kohler Research in collaboration with industry partners. It's not a tool, it's a machine-driven process that builds complex timber structures with millimeter precision. Digital design drives every move. A computer model defines every beam, every joint, every connection. Industrial robots then pick, cut, drill, and assemble timber elements in 3D space. Robots adjust as they go, compensating for errors, recalculating paths, and placing material exactly where it belongs. The result? Load-bearing timber modules that defy traditional framing limits. Geometries once too complex or too heavy are now routine. This is precision timber fabrication reimagined. Faster, smarter, and built for tomorrow's architecture. Spatial timber assemblies is the future of wood construction, and it's already shaping real buildings. This is the Swing Set, engineered by Eastern Jungle Gym, a leader in premium outdoor play systems. A machine built for motion, strength, and pure kinetic joy. Precision cut lumber, heavy-duty hardware, every beam and bracket engineered to endure years of use. A modular design that adapts to any backyard, any family, any lifestyle. It doesn't just hold swings, it moves with them. Smooth arcs, clean lines, and rock-solid stability. Chain, rope, and seat engineered to resist wear, weather, and time. The assembly is straightforward, yet every connection feels purposeful. Because this isn't just play equipment, it's structural performance made tangible. Strong, reliable, built to last. The Swing Set by Eastern Jungle Gym. Engineered for motion, designed for life. This is Shuck Bowl Type F, a precision reinforcement element engineered by Shuck, a leader in structural concrete solutions. It's a high-performance system that stops punching shear, the hidden force that can destroy flat concrete slabs. Punching shear happens where slabs meet columns, a critical failure point in modern construction. Bowl Type F is engineered to absorb those forces with double-headed studs and robust distribution strips. Designed for precast concrete plants, this system lets reinforcement be installed automatically and precisely. The studs click into place after the main reinforcement is laid. No guesswork, no wasted time. Its modular design adapts to slab geometry and production workflows. Backed by European technical approval and engineered for safety, it increases slab reliability without adding mass. Shuck Bowl Type SF, engineered to stop failure before it starts. Optimized for the next generation of concrete construction. This is external wall insulation in motion. Watch as old walls are transformed into high-performance thermal shields. First, crews secure the exterior. Boards of dense insulation mount to the facade. Each panel is fixed and aligned, creating a continuous thermal barrier. Then a mesh and render coat are applied, locking the system in place. This isn't cosmetic, it's physics. Walls that once leaked heat now trap warmth inside. External wall insulation reduces heat loss through walls by up to 40 to 45%, cutting bills and improving comfort. No loss of interior space, no guesswork, just thermal performance engineered outside the building envelope. Year after year, this system shields homes from cold and drives energy efficiency forward. External wall insulation, heavy-duty thermal protection made real. This is Fast Coat, a high-performance spray foam insulation from Kraken Bond, a cutting-edge closed-cell thermal barrier engineered to seal heat and sound. Packed in a portable can, Fast Coat expands on contact, filling cracks, gaps, and hard-to-reach surfaces. Its closed-cell chemistry delivers an R value of 5.66 per inch, locking in warmth and cutting energy loss. Spray it on walls, ceilings, attics, crawl spaces, and irregular structures, wherever insulation matters most. The foam bonds tightly to substrates, eliminates thermal bridges, and blocks air, moisture, and pests. Fast Coat cures fast, forming a seamless, monolithic layer. Strong, dense, and paintable. Certified Class A fire rated, it meets strict safety standards while boosting comfort and efficiency. This is DF061, a 6-meter autonomous wall finishing robot. Built by Defeng AI, a company pushing automation into construction. Not a tool, a fully automated site machine. It grinds, it plasters, it skims, it sands. It paints all without manual labor. Advanced LiDAR and visual sensing give it Level 3 autonomous navigation. SLAM mapping constantly scans walls, localizes position, and plans paths with precision. 25 motors control motion with sub-millimeter accuracy. Servo and stepper systems extend its arm to reach up to 6 meters. Pressure and laser sensors adjust application in real time. This machine reduces labor, cuts time, and standardizes quality across industrial and commercial builds. Precision finishing at scale. Faster, cleaner, smarter. DF061. Autonomous construction engineered for the future. This is CableSmart, a next-level cable management system from Gripple. Engineered for modern energy projects and industrial installations. CableSmart lifts cables above ground, eliminating trenching and reducing site risk. Built on Gripple's proven tensioning technology, fast, reliable, and ready for hard conditions. Plug-and-play hangers clip into messenger wire, securing cabling quickly with just basic tools. Each hanger locks in place with a positive snap. No dragging cables through loops, no damage. Support string and home run cables at utility scale, carrying dozens of conductors on a single run. Tested in extreme temperatures and engineered for 30 years of performance, CableSmart doesn't just hold cables, it protects them. Installed in minutes, not hours, speeding up solar builds and cutting labor costs. CableSmart, cable management redefined for speed, strength, and longevity. This is Isocorb, a load-bearing thermal insulation element from Schuck, engineered to stop heat escaping where buildings meet balconies, parapets, and cantilevered structures. Concrete cantilevers are structural weak points. Heat flows freely from warm interior slabs to the cold outside. That's called a thermal bridge, and it costs energy and causes condensation and mold. Isocorb interrupts that heat flow without sacrificing structural strength. It's a hybrid element combining thermal insulation with load transfer capability. It carries bending and shear forces while separating interior and exterior concrete thermally. Designed for concrete to steel, and even timber connections, the system adapts to diverse building needs. Installed at balcony junctions or parapet interfaces, Isocorb becomes part of the structure itself, retaining thermal performance while keeping structural integrity. Strong where it counts, warm where you live. Schuck Isocorb, engineered thermal brake power for modern construction. This is the Dura system, a modular sewer and manhole renovation solution. Engineered by Steinsoy Karamo for modern wastewater infrastructure. Dura isn't just a part, it's a system of corrosion-resistant, precision-manufactured polymer concrete and composite elements that rebuild worn sewer channels from the inside out. Old brick-lined sewers, angled corners, variable geometries. The Dura system adapts to every form with custom fit shells and bend elements that lock together on site. Installed through confined manholes, no massive excavation. Bonded components form a continuous, watertight conduit designed for decades of service. Thin wall strength, high abrasion resistance, chemical durability from pH 2 to pH 12, frost and weatherproof performance. This is precision engineering for buried infrastructure. Faster renovation, less disruption, and a reliable path to future-ready sewer networks. Dura system, engineered for longevity beneath the streets we walk. This is Graph wastewater technology, engineered water treatment from Autograph GmbH, a German leader in water resource systems. Not just tanks. A complete, scalable wastewater treatment ecosystem for homes, businesses, and developments. From cesspools and septic tanks to advanced biological treatment plants, every system handles sewage with precision and durability. Graph's systems use plastic engineered for corrosion resistance, lightweight installation, and long service life, avoiding the weaknesses of concrete. High-performance SBR, sequencing batch reactor. Technology treats wastewater in controlled cycles, aeration, settling, and clear water release, producing clean, compliant effluent. Modular design means solutions for a single household or a commercial site. Installed underground, out of sight, yet built for maximum performance. Low maintenance, waterproof construction, and proven German engineering mean reliability year after year. Graph wastewater systems, engineered for water you can trust and performance that lasts. This is VertEdge, a revolutionary artificial grass perimeter edging system engineered for flawless finish and long-term performance. Developed from decades of surfacing industry expertise, VertEdge solves the age-old problem of turf edges that lift, warp, or trip. Traditional edging relies on nails, timber, or ad hoc fixings. VertEdge adheres the lawn's perimeter 100% securely using purpose-designed adhesive and precision-formed edge profiles. Each piece locks down turf edges with a continuous bond. No nails, no gaps, no future failures. Lightweight and flexible, it contours to curves and radii with ease. Durable nylon construction resists pets, weather, and traffic while maintaining a clean, natural lawn profile. Because perimeter integrity means longevity and less maintenance over years of use. This isn't a patch-on-fix. VertEdge is engineered perimeter performance. Secure, seamless, and built to last. This is Joe Block's SIB, a new generation of structural insulated blocks, engineered by Roman Products to change how buildings are assembled. It's a fully dry, lightweight insulated masonry system. Each block weighs as little as 5 kilograms and fits together without traditional mortar. Inside, hemp and polyurethane foam create a high-performance insulating core sandwiched between rigid skins. Joe Block's blocks lock together with simple pegs and screws. A vapor. Open foam seals joints, creating airtight, high-efficiency walls on site with speed and precision. Forget cranes and heavy panels. These blocks stack fast and adapt to any wall geometry. A team can erect an entire bungalow in a day, cutting labor and build time dramatically. Joe Block's SIB is lightweight, thermally efficient, and built for real-world construction, driving faster, greener builds with fewer trade skills required. Joe Blocks, next-level building blocks engineered for the future of construction. This is the St. Augustine Bridge Insert, a precision engineering operation by Schussler-Plan, one of Europe's leading civil engineering firms. This isn't ordinary construction. This is controlled infrastructure installation in action. First, the new bridge span is prefabricated off-site, built to exact tolerances. Massive cranes lift the structure with millimeter precision. Every cable, every sling, every movement is digitally coordinated. Sensors and rigging systems balance loads and stabilize the giant span as it flies into place. Hydraulic control and structural alignment guides ensure the insert locks into its supports without stress or distortion. Traffic arteries aren't just repaired, they're reconnected with engineered exactness. This is civil engineering at machine scale, seamless, disciplined, and executed with industrial precision. St. Augustine Bridge Insert, engineered motion that reshapes infrastructure. This is multi-robotic timber assembly, cutting-edge fabrication from Taubman College at the University of Michigan. A new frontier where robots and architecture collaborate to build real structures. Standard off-the-shelf timber enters a digital workflow. Custom algorithms break the design down into thousands of unique parts. Industrial robotic arms cut, shape, and pre-assemble these components with precision no human hand can match. Each robot works with real-time perception and control to adapt to material variation and assemble submodules automatically. The resulting modules are transported to site and integrated into a complete structure. A timber pavilion that blends engineered geometry with natural material. This system minimizes waste, maximizes performance, and points to a sustainable, automated future for wood construction. This is Borja Therm, a high-efficiency roof insulation system by Tejas Borja, engineered for modern construction. Not a foam board nor a roll, a prefabricated panel system that integrates insulation, ventilation, and support into one engineered layer. Each Borja Therm panel has a closed-cell polyurethane core with ultra-low thermal conductivity. That means maximum insulation with minimal thickness, saving material, weight, and roof structure load. Panels arrive, ready to install. They mount directly to the roof deck, creating a continuous thermal barrier without gaps or thermal bridges. Integrated alu zinc battens lock in roof tiles and form a ventilated cavity that stops condensation and manages moisture. Lightweight yet strong, quick to assemble and compatible with traditional pitched roofs or high-performance builds. Every project pushes the limits of what's possible. From robotic timber assembly shaping complex wood structures to DF061 autonomous wall finishing robots delivering flawless surfaces, and Borja Therm roof insulation panels maximizing energy efficiency. Every innovation reshapes the way we build, design, and engineer our world. Stay curious, hit like, subscribe, and tap the bell to explore more groundbreaking technologies. This is Build Mystery,